In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new presentation on Google Slides. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Google Docs or Google Drive account and select the hamburger icon up at the top left to open up the main menu. And then you want to select Slides. Up at the top, there should be a Start a New Presentation category, and you can view various templates that are included here. By default, you can kind of get started with. Or if you went back, you can just open up a blank presentation and then just work off of that. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.